In this episode, I want to talk to the person who have been praying and working and fighting and struggling and creating and believing and wondering if any of it is working. In today's message, we're going to talk about the invisible season. And I just want to encourage you to not give up before your breakthrough. Welcome to the Rainie Show, where your daily divine wisdom is waiting. Tune in for the wisdom, the advice, and the inspiration that will move you closer to the best version of yourself. Show up daily to feed your mind, nourish your soul, and elevate your spirit one episode at a time. See, the issue is we've been programmed to believe that progress should be seen. We think that progress should look obvious. We've been programmed to believe that growth should look like the numbers increasing. We believe if the numbers aren't going up, we're not growing. We're programmed to believe that if opportunities aren't coming in and the visible signs of success aren't seen, that we're not growing. But real growth happens when no one sees it. And that is exactly where you are when you're in the invisible season. You may be feeling like, wow, I just feel like I've been in this battle by myself. I've been working hard. I've been striving. I've been praying. I've been believing. I've been creating. And it seems like everything that I'm doing it for nothing. It seems like the more I try, the further away I am to meeting my goal. I want to encourage you to not give up, because even though you can't see it visibly, your growth is in the invisible season. And it's important that you stay focused, that you stay committed, and that you stay consistent in order for you to break through into that next level. And I want to encourage you to stop measuring your progress by what you see. The most important growth in your life right now is the invisible growth. It's all stacking up for a breakthrough. It's that invisible growth in your mindset, the invisible growth in your character, the invisible growth in your spirit, in your soul, in your creativity, in your ideas. It's the invisible growth of you being determined to evolve into the leader that you are called to be. I want to talk about the bamboo tree. For 5 whole years, a bamboo tree shows no growth above ground. Nothing at all, not even an inch of growth for 5 whole years. And if you was the person that planted the bamboo tree, you may think it's dead because nothing has happened in 5 years. But in those 5 years, the roots underground of that bamboo tree has spread it. And those roots are wider and stronger than anything visible. And then, after 5 years of seeing nothing, 6 weeks later, the bamboo tree grows 90 feet tall. I want you to know that you're that bamboo tree, and this is your invisible season. And all the growth that's happening right now isn't seen. It's not promoted. It's not celebrated. But in the right season, that bamboo tree is going to be revealed. I want you to be encouraged to know that even though you're in an invisible season and it doesn't seem like nothing's happening and you're putting in a lot of effort, your breakthrough is coming. I want you to be encouraged in this invisible season to know that you are evolving, that you are growing, that you are elevating. And just because it's not seen yet doesn't mean it's not happening. Every person who has achieved anything significant has been through this invisible season. And I want you to be encouraged to know this is not a sign that you have chosen the wrong path or you're doing something wrong, or because it's so unfamiliar, you should just quit. It doesn't seem right. Think about it, from school grades to social media metrics to sales numbers. We have been conditioned our entire lives to measure progress by what we see and compare. But the most significant growth in nature, in business, in relationships, and in the human spirit happens beneath the surface, where no matrix can be measured and no algorithm can be validated. You can't see it in real time, but it's accumulating. Trust the process. Trust that as you stay committed, as you stay focused, as you stay diligent, as you do the work that you know you are called to do, and ignore the fact that you don't see any numbers increasing or any accolades, and you're in this invisible season, you are to do what you are called to do. Just do the work, stay focused, stay committed, and you will see that it will all pay off. See, the problem is with social media, you're often seeing the harvest of things. You never see the planting, the hidden moments where no one is filming. You don't see the late night working and prayers and unseen vision. You often see the overnight success, but you never see the 5 years of invisible work. But we never see the thousands of posts that got 3 likes. Stop comparing your invisible season to someone else's public breakthrough. You're on a different timeline, one that is divinely curated for your purposeful impact. I just want to encourage you to know that your breakthrough is not delayed, that you have purpose, that there's power within the work that you're doing. To stay committed, stay focused, stay consistent, and you will see your breakthrough unfold. You will see that vision you have begin to blossom. But you got to stay committed. You got to stay focused. You got to continue to do the work. And as you do the work in this invisible season, and you may feel like people don't understand, or you don't have the friends that you once had, or the people aren't connecting with you, or you feel lonely, you feel like no one understands you, I want to encourage you to know that it is okay, that you will get through this, that you will soar out of this as you continue to stay focused, even in the times and the moments where you feel confused, where you feel as if nothing is making sense. Things don't seem clear. It seems like there's so much uncertainty. There's so much confusion. You don't know which way to go, what decisions to make. I want to encourage you to stay focused, to stay grounded, to continue to move forward, and don't allow yourself to be discouraged. And I just want to encourage you, if you are like so many of us in that invisible season where you feel unseen, where you feel that the work that you're doing is not making a difference or the impact that you want it to make, I want to encourage you to stay focused and committed. And if you feel that this message resonated with you and you need a coach, you need support, you need accountability, and you feel led to work with me, I want to invite you to sign up for a coaching call session, a clarity call, where we can begin to do the work to get you focused and clear and ready for the next level in your life. So I want to encourage you, if you want to set up that session, to go ahead and click the link in this video, or you can also go to my website at lovebook.store and book appointment. And I look forward to connecting with you. Thank you so much for tuning in to the Rainie Howard Show. I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.